Hello friends, my name is Josema. In this time, we are going to cook a typical food of Japan. We are going to try to this country and our chef, Darian Cedron, is going to cook it. Bye
Hello,
girls and boys.
we are going to cook ramen because it's a typical Japanese food. At first, we are going to explain the ingredients. In this glass, we put salt, sugar, pepper, and chili syrup. In other glass, there are oil, salt, chili, and beef. At the last glass, there are carrot, onion, parsley, and cabbage. And the most important ingredient is Japanese pasta, whose name is ramen. We are going to introduce all the ingredients into the hot water. The second step is remove oil above 3 minutes. Now we are going to take out the ramen into one bowl. Now the last step is clean all. Guys?
Rock and roll.